अभी कुछ बनाया है कि नहीं? कॉस्मेटिक का मतलब
मेरे को भी दे दो।
cosmeticos. So cosmetic has been derived from a Greek word called as cosmeticos. Okay. So any one particular thing which will be applied on the body or to the body, with which body पे शायद ग्लो भी बढ़ जाए या कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ग्लो लेके आना, or else to make or impress any one particular person. So these additives can be either natural or synthetic or either artificial also. So these all things together are called as a cosmetic. अब cosmetic कब शुरू हुआ था? 19. There are hundreds and thousands and millions of references for cosmetics. Okay? So the mostly used reference जो हमको पता है, जो आयुर्वेद में भी है, the first thing which is called as सिद्धार्थ स्नान चूर्ण. स्नान चूर्ण जो बात करने का या नहाने के टाइम पे जो वॉश करेंगे, so that is called as सिद्धार्थ स्नान चूर्ण. ये रेफरेंस शास्त्रों में है. So that is one of the Ayurvedic considered as a cosmetic, with which body के ऊपर जो dead skin cells हैं ये निकल जाएंगे. First thing. The next, it will be imparting a glow to the body. At the same time, it will be giving a kind of fragrance to the body. And those fragrances can be कुछ लोग चंदन यूज करेंगे, कुछ लोग अगर यूज करेंगे, कुछ लोग कर्पूर यूज करेंगे, और menthol. Any of these different kind of drugs are used for preparing these cosmetics, which are called as fragrances. कुछ लोग मोगरा or any other flowers which will be emitting a good smell or a fragrance. So these flowers are also used for cosmetic purposes. So example, स्नेह कल्पना, कोई भी एक टाइल रेडी करने के बाद टाइल कल्पना, तो अगर उसकी स्मेल अगर कुछ अजीब सा आ रहा है या आपको कुछ पसंद नहीं आ रहा, एग्जाम्पल इज कोकोनट ऑयल. कुछ लोगों को कोकोनट ऑयल से एलर्जी होता है, like they can tolerate the smell of coconut oil. So in that particular case, we can mix any one particular flower in certain amount. For 100 grams, let's say around 10 grams of flowers add करके वापस इसको boil किया, then the whole essence of those flowers will be coming into the oil, with which the flower, the oil will be having a fragrance of that particular flower, like jasmine, lavender, or lilies. So these particular things. So that is about Ayurvedic cosmetic. When it comes to the modern cosmetics, so the mostly known is dated around Egypt civilization. And उतने around 2005, 3000 BC के टाइम से cosmetics use में था. And also in the Indus Valley civilization also, we can find the references of different cosmetics. Like people used to apply different flavors of chandan, etc. as the perfume. And अब तक उसी टाइम पे निकालना शुरू किया अर्क शास्त्र with the help of रावण. अगर रावण तक चला गया तो एक अलग युग में चले गया. So from there also there is a reference of cosmetics. So गुलाब का अर्क निकाल रहा था, तो उससे क्या यूज है? It can be applied on the face, which will be imparting glow to the face. It can be applied on the body, which will be removing the odor. जो भी एक गंदा odor था उसको भी निकाल देगा. This is the references. Whereas in the modern civilization, starting first is Cleopatra. So she is the one who has extensively used different kind of cosmetic products to attract different kings. So from that, starting around 1700 के टाइम पे ब्रिटिश काउंसिल ने एक रूल लगाया था, stating exactly the definition of cosmetic, with which the wide range of cosmetic has come into existence. So they have stated that any one particular thing which will be applied or which will be used to uterus in man or a woman, or which will be imparting flow to the body, which will be adding certain particular thing to the body, is considered as a cosmetic. And none other than the king has the right or the permission to use those kind of cosmetic grades. ये पहला था, but with time the whole thing has, or the scenario has also been changed, with which the cosmetic has come into complete existence. Cosmetics में अलग-अलग types भी हैं, facial cosmetics, body cosmetics, perfumes, etc. So facial cosmetics में the one mostly used is lotions, moisturizers, or face powders, compact powders, lipsticks, lip balm, lip scrubs, etc. So one such formulation is a lip scrub, which can be prepared along with simple 3 ingredients आती है. अगर आपके पास white sugar है, so take the white or crystallized sugar, make it into fine powder, filter कर लो एक बार, ताकि इसमें जो भी impurities रहेंगे, so those impurities can be completely taken out. And then add any one particular oil, let's say coconut oil or almond oil or apricot oil, or any one particular oil of your own choice. Carrot seed oil use कर सकते हो, onion seed oil, any of the oil of your own choice. So let's say an example, for 70 grams or 70-80 grams of sugar, we can add half part, which is 40 grams of oil. And then you can use, अगर इसको कुछ color देना है, then you can use a simple, let's say red color. तो बीटरूट की पाउडर, ऑरेंज कलर चाहिए, कैरेट पाउडर, ग्रीन कलर चाहिए, तो यूज एनी वन पर्टिकुलर